Hi guys, so I'm gonna try to do whatever I can to help you guys out, especially if you guys are investing in yourself. So when you guys book a one-on-one with me, not only do we get to have a conversation revolving around the industry in the 360 photo booth and get all your questions answered, but on top of that, what I started doing is I'm putting together a marketing video for you guys so that hopefully that video ranks on the first page of Google. Now, this client right here, and it just happened today. Today, I'm making this video December the 1st. They're already ranking on the first page. Let me show you. All right, so right now I am making a marketing video for one of my clients who booked a one-on-one with me, and I am just including her contact information. And this is going to have a great amount of benefit once this gets launched. I do this so I can help the folks that really took it serious enough to book a one-on-one with me. This is just a way for me to help them rank for specific keywords. Contact book today. Here we go. All right, book. And you guys can do this if you guys have a YouTube channel. You guys can go ahead and use the same exact strategy, but just watch how I'm doing this. That way you guys know exactly where to put the information and how to put in the information. So of course your phone number is going to go right up here, right? And then in addition to that, if you guys have a website, go ahead and enter your website. I'm going to grab this website right here, copy link address. I'm going to put it right in here as well, just like that. Well, that's actually too big. What I want to do instead is get the short version of it. The short version of it just here, and then just copy. Instead of copy link, just copy that, put it right in there. Okay, that's a lot better. So now you have your phone number, your profile information right here, along with your website, which is incredibly important. And then this exact same keyword, what you guys want to do is you want to grab that title keyword and definitely enter it here into the description section. All right. And then on top of that, you guys want to come up with 3 hashtags. One of the hashtags that I'm going to be using is photo booth Yonkers, just like that. Then I'm going to do another hashtag, same thing, 360 photo booth, but I'm going to add rental to it. And then I'm going to add Yonkers to it, just like that. And then I'm going to do 360 video booth and then Yonkers again, just like that. Okay. So I'm going to leave that just like that for now. Am I missing anything? I don't think so. That looks solid. And then I'm going to scroll down to the bottom here. I'm going to choose my playlist. I'm going to choose 360 photo booth near me. And then another section that's very, very important is this right here. So I'm going to add my tags right here. So all I'm going to do now is I'm going to grab this one here, grab that, put it as one of my tags in here. Okay. Then I'm going to grab the second one and put it in here as well. Okay. So guys, copy this strategy. It has lots of benefits. This is a way that you guys can start getting familiar with SEO, search engine optimization. Right now, when I launch this video, when I go ahead and upload it, I'm going to go on Google search engine and I'm going to see if it's already showing up on the first page, because Google owns YouTube. 360 photo, because Google owns YouTube. They work well together when you merge them and you use them like this. So I highly recommend you guys do this. So this information right here, 360, okay, that's there, that's there. And what else can I use? I'm gonna use, I got rental. I'm gonna use it one more time here, even though it sounds repetitive. I'm gonna just add it right there again. So now it's right here, right in here, right here as well. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to category, travel and events, because this is like an event thing. Hit next, monetize. I don't need it to be monetized. I'm going to go next, then next, and then I'm going to go right over here where it says public. I'm going to go to public right here, and then I'm going to go to publish. Ladies and gentlemen, it's been several minutes since I posted a marketing video for one of my clients. Now I'm going to jump into Google and check to see if it's showing up. If it's not, It's okay. You got to be patient, but let's go ahead and check. Paste 364 to booth, New York, Yonkers. Enter. Let's see. And here we are at the very top, baby. That's exactly what I wanted to see. Life is good. You have to understand how SEO works, baby. Let's go. All right, man. I get overexcited, but hey, got to give it up, man, because now people can go and just click on this video right over here. And then you get to see the video, of course. Then you go to show more, and boom, all of my clients' information is right there.